Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we hope you're fine. I'm also fine. In this video, I'm gonna show different amazing and unique pebble home decoration ideas. It is very beautiful and unique pebble decoration, stone decoration, rocks ideas, and etc. It is very beautiful and unique, and I hope you like it. You can make different ideas for pebble art, rocks art, stone art, and etc. So please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon viewers, and please share your friends and family members, and do not forget my YouTube channel. You guys know we can share different amazing ideas like calling art, paper art, and etc. So Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you soon.